Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make these super easy sweet potato pancake bites that are perfect for breakfast or snacks. If you're new here, welcome and welcome back to Beyond Aroma of Kenya, where I make simple and easy recipes perfect for ordinary families. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. I have my leftover sweet potatoes here. As you can see, they're still steamy, they're hot. You can pop your leftover sweet potatoes in the microwave for a few minutes. That way it will be easier for you to mash them up. Now I'm going to go in with my fork here, and then I'll just use it to mash my potatoes. So moving on, right here in my silver bowl I have a cup of all-purpose sweet flour. I have my baking powder here. I'm going to go in with half a tablespoon. Actually, I need to go in with cinnamon. I have my cinnamon here. I'm going to add in a quarter tablespoon. Okay, I'll mix this up again. Now I'm going to go in with my sweet potatoes. Let me first add half of it in, and then right here in my jug I have 200 ml of water at room temperature. I'm going to go in and add my water in. I added all of it, and then let me first use my spoon here to mix this up together. Okay, so since I have sweet potatoes here, for a cup of flour, you'll need around 177 ml to 200 ml of water. Since this is not cake flour, it's just regular all-purpose sweet flour, it needs a little more water. And then again, the sweet potatoes that I added in also need water, so I'm going to need a little more water in. The amount of water depends on the amount of sweet potatoes that you have. So here the trick is just to add your water bit by bit and make a thick and flawless batter. So for me, I already used 200 ml, and then I'm going to go in with another 100 ml. So in total I used 300 ml of water. Since we used sweet potatoes here, so I'm going to go ahead and strain this batter. So I have my jug here, and then I'm going to go in with my sieve. I'm going to add my butter here bit by bit, and I strain it. So you have to do this step to get a smooth butter, to get rid of the sweet potato chunks. After a little while I'm now done, and this is what I have left behind. I'm now going to go in with my spoon again, and then I'll mix this up. And you see the thickness, right? Now I'm going to go in with some oil. Leftover oil will be really good, or you can use melted butter. 2 tablespoons will be okay. I'll mix it up again. So actually, since I used sweet potatoes, I don't really see the need of adding in any sugar. It's not that sweet. I'll go in with a tablespoon, and then I'll mix it up. This butter is so smooth. I'm going to fire up my stove, and then I'll go in with my pan. I'm going to wipe up my pan, and then I'm going to grease my pan with a little oil. I'm going to use low heat for this. I'm going to add in my butter now. you have to balance your heat. At times you need to switch off your stove so that this cooks on low heat. It depends with how your pan gets hot. If it's real quick, you'll have to switch off and switch on your stove. I'm going to scrape this one here that I started with. So when the bubbles start to appear, now when your pancake develops holes like this one that you can see close to the camera here, then you can unstick your pancake and then you can turn it. And when you're doing this, do it gently. I'll flip this over. I'll flip it over again. See how that looks. Flip this over too. I'm going to switch off my stove. My pan is getting a little too hot. I'm now going to go ahead and press on them like this so they can cook in the inside too. When they're removing the fat sound like that means they're not ready yet. And since we have a mixture of sweet potatoes here and flour, you're going to need a little more patience than normal. Press on them to release the air bubbles. This is just ready. After every batch that you make sure you wipe your pan properly to get rid of the burnt butter. I'm using a tissue paper. I'm going to use a fresh tissue paper to spread it around. My pan is a little hot now, so I want them to cook together or something like that. So I switch off my stove so I can pour the pancake at once. And then I'm going to go ahead and switch on my stove after I'm done. Now I'm going to switch on my stove, and that is just out just like that. That's out again. Just gently do it so it doesn't pop the inner butter out and it's not cooked yet. This batch is just ready. As you can see, they are stiff, there are no air bubbles in them. I'm going to set them aside. After some time, all my pancakes are ready. I arrange them nicely over here in my board. You can serve this with sugar syrup like I'm doing right now, or you can serve them with honey. Let's give this a test. This is so good. The sugar is okay. I don't take sugar, but the sugar is okay. And then I love the fact that the inside is soft and cooked. That's important. You need to try these cinnamon pancakes. They're so good. Dip it in the sugar syrup a little, then take a bite. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this particular easy breakfast recipe, and I hope you try it at home. I'm going to link down my other videos in the description box so you can check them out. I have a bunch of pancake ideas that you can try at home. Thanks for watching, and kindly subscribe and check out the playlist that I created on my channel to check out my other videos. See you in my next video. Bye, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my new uploads.